Hey everyone, welcome back to Body Make and Health Management. You know I love talking about health and fitness, and today we're diving deep into a fascinating topic: hormones. We often hear about how crucial hormones are for our overall well-being, but did you know they play a massive role in affecting your weight and fitness too? Whether you're pushing for that personal record at the gym, aiming for a healthy weight, or just curious about how your body works, understanding your hormones is key. In this video we'll break down the science behind these powerful chemical messengers and how they can either help or hinder your fitness journey. We'll explore the impact of specific hormones, discuss common imbalances, and give you actionable tips to keep them in check. So grab your water bottle, get comfy, and let's get hormonal. Chapter 1. The role of hormones in the body. Before we jump into specific hormones, let's talk about what hormones are and how they function in our bodies. Imagine your body as a complex city with various systems working together: transportation, communication, energy production. Hormones are like the messengers that keep everything running smoothly. Produced by different glands, hormones travel through the bloodstream, acting like tiny messengers carrying instructions to different tissues and organs. These instructions tell your body how to function, impacting everything from your metabolism and growth to your mood and energy levels. Think of it like a lock and key system. Each hormone has a unique shape, and it can only fit into specific receptors on cells. When a hormone binds to its receptor, it's like delivering a message, triggering a specific action within the cell. For example, insulin, a hormone produced by the pancreas, acts like a key that unlocks cells to allow glucose from the food you eat to enter and be used for energy. Each hormone plays a vital role in maintaining a healthy balance within the body, and understanding their functions is essential for optimizing your health and achieving your fitness goals. Chapter 2. Insulin and its effect on fat storage. First up is insulin, a hormone produced by the pancreas that acts like a master regulator of your blood sugar levels. When you eat, especially carbohydrates, your blood sugar rises. Think of it like a sugar rush entering your bloodstream. Insulin steps in to manage this surge, acting like a key that unlocks the doors of your cells, allowing glucose to enter and be used for energy. This process is crucial because our cells need glucose to function correctly. However, when we consume too many carbohydrates, especially refined sugars and processed foods, our bodies can produce excessive amounts of insulin to deal with the sugar overload. Consistently high insulin levels can lead to a condition called insulin resistance, where your cells become less responsive to insulin signals. Imagine the lock on your cell door getting rusty. It becomes harder for insulin to open it and let glucose in. As a result, glucose builds up in your bloodstream, and your body continues to pump out more insulin, creating a vicious cycle. This excess glucose, unable to enter the cells, gets stored as fat, leading to weight gain and making it difficult to shed those extra pounds. Controlling your carbohydrate intake, especially refined sugars, is crucial for maintaining healthy insulin levels. By making healthier food choices and staying active, you can keep your insulin working effectively and support your weight management goals. Chapter 3. Thyroid hormones and metabolism. Let's talk about your thyroid, a small, butterfly-shaped gland located in your neck that plays a giant role in regulating your metabolism, the intricate process of converting food into energy. The thyroid gland produces hormones, primarily thyroxine, T4, and triiodothyronine, T3, which act like master controllers of your metabolism. Imagine them as the conductors of an orchestra, ensuring all instruments play in harmony to produce beautiful music. When your thyroid functions optimally, your metabolism hums along smoothly, efficiently burning calories and providing you with energy throughout the day. You feel energized, your weight is stable, and your body temperature is well regulated. However, when your thyroid throws a wrench in the works, it can significantly impact your metabolism and overall health. Hypothyroidism, or an underactive thyroid, is like a conductor slowing down the tempo of the orchestra, leading to a slower metabolism. With hypothyroidism, you might experience unexplained weight gain, constant fatigue, feeling cold even in warm temperatures, and difficulty losing weight despite your best efforts. On the other hand, hyperthyroidism, or an overactive thyroid, is like the conductor speeding up the tempo, leading to a faster metabolism. If you suspect your thyroid might be off-kilter, it's crucial to consult a healthcare professional. Remember, maintaining a healthy thyroid is crucial for a well-functioning metabolism and overall well-being. Chapter 4. Cortisol and stress-induced weight gain. Let's talk about cortisol, often dubbed the stress hormone, produced by your adrenal glands. Now, cortisol isn't inherently bad, it plays a crucial role in our survival. Imagine you're facing a sudden threat, like a speeding car heading your way. Your body kicks into fight or flight mode, releasing a surge of cortisol. This surge provides a burst of energy, sharpens your focus, and prepares you to react quickly to the threat. However, in today's fast-paced world, we often encounter chronic low-grade stressors, work deadlines, financial worries, relationship issues that keep our cortisol levels elevated for prolonged periods. This chronic stress takes a toll on our bodies, especially our waistlines. Elevated cortisol levels can wreak havoc on our appetite regulation, increasing cravings for sugary, fatty, and salty comfort foods. Moreover, cortisol promotes fat storage, particularly around the abdominal area. This visceral fat, stored deep within the abdomen, is not merely a cosmetic concern, it's metabolically active, increasing the risk of heart disease, type 2 diabetes, and other chronic health conditions. Incorporating stress-reducing techniques into our daily routines is key. Mindfulness practices like meditation and deep breathing exercises can help calm the nervous system and lower cortisol levels. Remember, managing stress is not about eliminating it entirely, but rather about equipping ourselves with healthy coping mechanisms to navigate life's challenges without letting cortisol run the show. Chapter 5. Estrogen and weight distribution in women. Let's delve into the fascinating world of estrogen, the primary female sex hormone that influences weight and body composition. During reproductive years, estrogen promotes fat storage in the hips, thighs, and buttocks, creating a pear-shaped body. As women transition into menopause, estrogen levels decline, shifting fat storage to the abdomen. This shift increases the risk of heart disease and diabetes. Maintaining a healthy lifestyle with regular exercise is crucial during and after menopause. Engaging in cardio and strength training helps manage weight and boost metabolism. Adopting a proactive approach to health can help women navigate menopause smoothly. Chapter 6. Testosterone and muscle building. Let's shift our focus to testosterone, a hormone vital for muscle growth, strength, and overall vitality. Testosterone drives muscle protein synthesis, repairing and building new muscle tissue. Optimal testosterone levels make our bodies muscle-building machines. For men, testosterone peaks during adolescence, aiding rapid muscle growth. It contributes to a muscular physique, increased bone density, and higher energy levels. As men age, testosterone levels decline, starting in their 30s. This decline can lead to decreased muscle mass, increased body fat, and reduced energy. Women also produce testosterone, contributing to muscle mass and bone density. In women, it supports muscle mass, bone density, libido, and cognitive function. Testosterone levels in women decline with age, especially during menopause. Regular resistance training boosts testosterone production. Adequate sleep is crucial for hormone regulation, including testosterone. A proactive approach to health supports natural hormone production and vitality. Chapter 7. How hormonal imbalances affect your fitness goals. Hormones impact our weight, metabolism, and fitness. Hormonal imbalances can make fitness feel like swimming against the tide. Even with a healthy lifestyle, imbalances can cause fatigue and weight issues. Sound familiar? Hormonal imbalances might be the culprit. Insulin resistance leads to elevated blood sugar and fat storage. It makes weight loss challenging. Consult a healthcare professional if you're struggling. Addressing hormonal imbalances can be life-changing for your fitness journey. That's a wrap on how hormones affect your weight and fitness. I hope this video helped you understand just how much of an impact your hormones have on your fitness journey. Remember, it's not just about working out and eating right. It's also about maintaining a healthy balance of hormones in your body. We've covered a lot of ground today, from the role of insulin in fat storage to the impact of cortisol on stress-induced weight gain. We've also explored how estrogen and testosterone influence body composition and muscle growth in both men and women. If you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel for more content, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss any new uploads. Thanks for watching and see you next time.